Hello everybody, so today I am going to be showing you all these super duper cool DIY paper crafts that I've done. So I've done quite a few of them, so let's start. Let's start off with this first one right over here. So let me move all of these other ones out of the way. So this one is like a really cool little DIY where it's this super cool backpack that I made and it can open, and in here we have some super cool books. Here we have an English book, and then there's also a maths book in here, which is really cool, and it's just super duper fun to use. And then you can even open the books like this. So yeah, they're really cool. And then here I have this super cool little pencil pouch that I made, and then there's also these like cool pockets where you can put the things in like that, and it's really cool. And here I made a whole bunch of different little accessories. So this is our water bottle right over here for school, and then you can even take off the cap. So it's like a cool little sticker, kind of like craft, and it's really fun. So that, yeah, you can pour in the water in there, and it's really cool. So yeah, here's the water bottle, and then I also made this little calculator. Here's some ASMR. Yeah, it's really cool. And yeah, so there's a calculator, and this is like a school theme one. So yeah, and then here I also have this little gummy bear one. So basically there's like some super cool gummy bears, so it's like a little snack for school. There's a little eraser, and then there's also this one, some little pens. This one is probably my favorite right here. This is like a highlighter actually that I made, and it opens as well, like you can take off the cap. Like that, there you go. So yeah, then you can write, and it's really cool. I really like it. I love how you can like kind of use everything, and it's just really fun. So yeah, I really like that. And then you even have this little carrot pen, and I wanted to make everything cool and kind of like a little matching theme. And then you can even put in the things in your little pencil pouch like this. So you just take everything and put it in there. Then this one too, put it in there. Oop, the cap fell off. That's okay. You can just put it back on like that. And then here we also have this one, and then there's also of course a ruler right here that you can peel off and then put in there. And yeah, it's really cool because it's like a cute little froggy pouch. And then after that you can put everything in the bag. It all fits, which is super fun. And then your books of course for school, because you need those. And your gummies can go in this one right here in this little pouch. Then you can put in your calculator, and these things you can also put in the pouch. But yeah, this is a really cool art and craft. And let me know if you want me to make any tutorials for any of these crafts. But today I'm just going to be showing you them that I made. So yeah, let's move on to the next craft. Okay, so the next craft is also school themed. So I'm going to do all of the school ones, and then we'll move on to the other one, which is ice cream themed. So this is basically the classroom right over here, and then there's the board, and then there's a little table. And actually, this one right here that I did, it can be kind of like connected because it's kind of like the same theme, so you can use them together if you want. But yeah, I kind of made it a little separate. But yeah, here you can basically open these lockers. I made some, and you can open them, and they're all decorated very nicely, and I absolutely love it. And here in here we have like some snacks as well. So we have a Kit Kat, some chocolate, and then we also have some chips, and then we have some little balls down here. And again, you can take them off, but I stuck them quite well. So yeah, I really like how they're nice and sticky, so they don't just keep falling off. So yeah, there's like all of the fun little balls, and then there's also this rugby ball right over here, and then the basketball. I'm having a little bit of a hard time to peeling them, but there you go. Yeah, now you can see. So yeah, it's really cool. So at the bottom we have that, and then we also have these books that you can take out, and then you can go and study over here. And then I was also going to make a teacher, but I didn't have enough time to, so yeah. And then I love how I decorated the lockers. Each one has a different theme. I made two. And in here there's also like this cool mirror, which you can also take off if you want. Once I get to peeling it, yeah, like that. There you go. So yeah, you can take it off if you want, but I'm gonna leave it there. And there's also this little small bag that I put. And again, same things with the books. You can take them off. You just have to peel them like that, and then you can take them off, and then you can kind of keep them. So yeah, it's really cool. So yeah, all of the books and everything is functional. And then here you have another little chocolate bar, an apple right here, which you can put right here. And yeah, then we have some more books. There's quite a lot of those right here. And then this one has like all these little cool hearts and stuff, and it's really cool. So here we can take the books and put them here. And then of course an apple, and this is like a chalkboard, and yeah, it's just really cool. I really enjoyed making this one. The best part was probably making it, and then the end result is just also very nice. I love that. So yeah, I've been into these little crafts, and yeah, they're really fun to make. So yeah. Alright, so the next craft is the ice cream craft. So here is our ice cream shop right over here, and then there's also some juices, by the way. So yeah, it's kind of connected. So here's our ice cream shop from the inside, and this is like the outside of it. I kind of made it, and then here we also have some like juices that you can get over here, like smoothies and stuff, and it's really cool. Yeah, so you can peel them off, and you can actually kind of like take off the caps and stuff if you want to as well. I just stuck them together quite well though for now, because I just like them like this, but if I wanted, I could have just made it like that too. But yeah, they're pretty cool. They're pretty cool, and I really like them. So yeah, it's really nice. I love it. And then over here is the ice cream shop. This one is my favorite probably from out of them, because this is just so cool, and just look at how cool all of the ice creams are. So let me show you how this works. Here we have our ice cream scooper, and you can scoop the ice cream whichever flavor. For example, I want a cone, and then I want vanilla ice cream. We can easily just take that, scoop it up, and then we can put it right on our cone nicely like that. And then, for example, we want maybe some strawberry as well. We can get that. We can just scoop it up, put it on there, and again, it's all sticky, and it's like stickers, and it's just so cool. And you can even get a cup if you want. So yeah, it's really cool, and you could have even as many layers as you want of ice cream, as many scoops. And then here we have all of our different toppings to choose from. There are so many. So yeah, here we have some cherries. Let's put a cherry on top like that. Oh wow, that looks so cool. And wait, let me just put this ice cream scoop on there like that. There you go. So yeah, you can put that on there, and then you can even take some sprinkles if you want. And you also have some chocolate chips if you want that. So this is what the chocolate chips look like. You can kind of see. Yeah, they look pretty cool. So we have some chocolate chips on there. Or if you don't want that, then of course you can put on some delicious colorful sprinkles. Well, I mean, you can never go wrong with some sprinkles, of course. They're so good. Look at how cool this looks. So yeah, and then you can even put some strawberries around here like this. There's also some more cherries, and then you can put on these like cool stars as well. I'm gonna have to take some of the things off because we can't have all the toppings on one. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you this with one ice cream though for now, so I can show you how this works, you know. It's really cool. And then yeah, basically we're just gonna, we can put on these as well, like stars like that, and this is just so cool, and I absolutely love it. You can take them off individually as well, and there's also some hearts and some little gummy bears if you want that, which is so awesome, and I love it. Let's just say I don't want sprinkles, actually. We can even, actually, here's one ice cream, let's make another one. So, here we have our second ice cream. For the second one, I'm going to take a cup, of course, because why not? Okay, and this time I'm going to take chocolate. Why not? Because I love chocolate as well. I love all flavors. And then we can have some vanilla on top, of course, because that's really good. There we go. Look at our scoop. Ooh, it looks so good. All right, and then we can put on some strawberries right on there, like that, for this one. And then this time, I'm not going to put a cherry on top. I'm going to put a strawberry on top, because well, why not? And then, again, I'm going to put some hearts this time. Some heart sprinkles. So, yeah, we can put those on. There you go. It's so cool. Like that. Oh, wow, look at how cool this looks. So, yeah, here we can make as many ice creams and different ones as we like. And, yeah, it's really cool. And then here you can sell them. It's just so fun because you can be as creative as you want with all of these crafts. So, yeah, they're really fun to make. I definitely recommend trying out all of these different crafts that I showed you all in this video. So yeah, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. Was it one of the school ones, or was it one of the ice cream ones? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Bye everybody, I'll see you on my next one. Bye, make sure to subscribe.